Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about budget-friendly laptops, but specifically the type of memory that is in these budget laptops. Now, when I say laptop, budget-friendly laptops, I mean like least expensive laptops, even Chromebooks. And the reason why I want to touch on this is because school has started back, and some people are either going to brick and mortar school, which is actually going to the school itself, or they're doing homeschooling still for those who don't wish to have their children back in school because of the virus. What it comes down to is people don't have the money to spend, hundreds or even thousands of dollars on these laptops. So they're going to the budget-friendly computers or laptops. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but you need to understand a few things about budget-friendly laptops. And I'm going to show you one of those setbacks that can happen if you have no idea what you're looking for when it comes to a budget laptop computer, whether it's a Chromebook or a Dell or HP. Now, as you can see, the first laptop here is $219. That's probably a decent price for some people, but they do get cheaper, such as this one right here. But this is a pre-owned. It's $89.99, but it's pre-owned, so make sure you pay attention to that if you're looking for something brand new. But I want to take you to this one that's brand new. This is a GeoBook 120 12.5-inch HD laptop, Intel Celeron dual core processor, 4 gigabytes of memory, and 64 gigabytes of eMMC memory. Now, people are like, well, what the heck is eMMC memory? And that's what I want to talk to you about. Now, on some Chromebooks or even some of these lower end laptops, you can customize it if you get it brand new. Fortunately, this particular laptop does have it where you can choose between a processor, whether it's a Celeron or a Pentium. You can choose how much memory, RAM that you want, between 4 and 8. The storage capacity is between 64 and 128. This is your eMMC memory right here. The screen size, you can go from 12.5 to 14.1, and then your screen resolution, you go from 1366 by 768 to 1920 by 1080 full HD if you want. Now, most of these lower end laptops will not even give you this option. You're just stuck with whatever is for sale on that particular website. So for those that are looking, they're like, well, what is this 64 gigabyte eMMC memory? And on this website here, Livewire, they have a section here that tells you what eMMC memory is. And they explain that if you plan to buy a compact and budget-friendly laptop, the internal storage offered by such laptops is likely to be eMMC storage. eMMC is an integrated storage chip that sits on the device's motherboard. It's like a permanent micro SD card. So in other words, it's soldered onto the motherboard and you can't change it out. Once it's on there, that's it. You can't upgrade it whatsoever. And they warn you that before you buy a laptop with eMMC storage, consider if it's enough storage features that you need and if you can accept its limitations. And it does, the type you choose determines the overall performance and speed of your computer. And they give you the question as to what is eMMC storage, and it tells you eMMC stands for Embedded Multimedia Card, and it's a type of internal storage embedded or attached to a device or a PC motherboard, and it uses the multimedia card standard, and it's based on NAND flash memory, and it's used in eMMC storage, isn't unique to eMMC, and is found in other types of storage like SD memory cards, secure digital, solid state drives, SSDs, and USB drives. And it tells you that eMMC storage is usually found in budget-friendly laptops, we just mentioned, as well as tablets, Chromebooks, tablet PCs, 2-in-1 computers, and smartphones. Now, this shows you, you can read this whenever, if you want to go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. But if you want to read more about this, how it talks about how the storage works, you can read about it. It talks about how fast it is, the advantages and disadvantages of eMMC. But if you want to read that, I'll leave a link to this particular website in the product description below. Now, as I've said before, this particular laptop gives you the option of making some upgrades or some changes to the processor, system memory, total storage capacity, screen size, etc. But most of these will not give you that option. Now, some of these are pre-owned. This one, particular one, this Acer right here, is a pre-owned. So if you do go to Best Buy's website looking for these, make sure you read, you pay attention to these, the title of it, because pre-owned means you can't make any changes. Like this only has 16 gigabytes of eMMC memory. That's it. You can't go in and make any changes to that. So if 16 gigabytes is not enough memory for the laptop that you want or what you need it to do, then you're going to have to find one that gives you more than 16 gigabytes. Now, a lot of people seem like they've returned a lot of these Chromebooks. It could have been for school purposes only, or maybe they misunderstood about this memory that is only on here, and they probably looked to upgrade the memory. And when they found out that you can't, they're like, well, I can't do anything with this because I need more memory. And unfortunately, that's the disadvantage of having a laptop or a Chromebook with eMMC memory. It is soldered onto the motherboard. You cannot change it out, unfortunately. So even though their prices are lower, if you need it to just do basic computations like your schoolwork, you can do some online video chatting. It does have a webcam on it, but you're not going to be able to really do too much, like play high-end video games or, you know, make downloading really large files for an amount of time, because eventually this 16 gigs right here is going to fill out really fast. And once it's filled up, it won't let you do any more downloading. You can't do scans. You can't do updates on your antivirus programs or malware protection. That's it. You're done. It's going to give you warnings about that. So be careful when you're looking for these cheap Chromebooks or laptops. If you see this eMMC, know that that is the capacity of the memory that is installed in the Chromebook, because once that is used up, you cannot do anything else with it. You can't make any upgrades to the memory. So I hope this helps you guys out. You guys be safe. Take care. Peace out.